everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple, easy, healthy smoothie, and this time is a vegetable smoothie. So I have celery, it's all diced. I have garlic, I have 3-piece large garlic. I have broccoli here. I have some diced pineapple. So it really doesn't matter. If you want to sweeten yours, you can sweeten it. If not, I usually just switch it up most times. I have spinach and they're all washed, and I have half a lemon because I like the zesty taste of it. Sometimes I add ginger if I want, and here in this spoon I have a leveled spoon of moringa. Moringa has loads of benefits for your hair, for your skin, and for your general health. So I know I talked so much about moringa and its benefits in one of my vegetable videos. I'm going to link it up in the screen, so kindly check it out. And I have 2 cups of water. If you want, it depends on how thick you want it to be. Sometimes while I blend, I'll just see and eyeball it and see if I want it thicker or lighter. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Now I'm going to go into blending. It doesn't matter what method you use, whether you put the pineapple first. I just kind of layer it. Next I add a leveled spoon of moringa powder. Next we add the water. What I do often is to just add, say, half cup first and see how it goes before I pour some more. So I have half cup gone. I'm gonna add another half. I want mine a little bit watery, so I'm just gonna add half cup more. Guys, if you need a very good blender, go get Vitamix. This is not a paid promotion, but I should do a video about Vitamix. It's a very good blender. They're expensive, but it actually really works. I prefer it to most blenders that I've used in the past. So I'm going to pour it in a cup. If you want, you could go ahead to squeeze your lemon in now. I'm just going to squeeze a little bit. I often want to get this pulp in. Then I blend one final time. So now I'm going to pour it in. Look at all the green goodness here. I think this would kind of make like 3 cups. So that's the end of the video, guys. Let me know what you think if you try it out, and see you next time in my video. Bye.